Your brain is not broken. You're just stuck on the same mental treadmill, sprinting to nowhere. Overthinking isn't a flaw. It's a survival mechanism that got hijacked. You're overanalyzing every text, overplanning every move, replaying what you said 3 days ago at that party where someone might have maybe judged you. You're not alone, and it's not your fault. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. Clarity isn't something you find. It's something you train for. And today, I'll show you how. So pause the spiral, drop that mental Rubik's Cube, and let's actually solve this thing. Overthinking thrives on 3 lies. 1, that there's always a perfect answer. 2, that if you think longer, you'll feel safer. 3, that worry is the same as preparation. None of those are true. You lie in bed, crafting 17 versions of a reply, then delete them all. Why? Because clarity isn't accessible in chaos. You can't think your way out of overthinking. And here's the scary part. The longer you stay stuck, the more your brain believes the overthinking is helping. But there's a method to break the loop, a mental off switch that's been hiding in plain sight. We'll get there, but first, let me ask you something uncomfortable. Your first weapon against overthinking? Name the noise. Literally say to yourself, this is my anxiety planning fake disasters again. Or, this is my inner critic doing karaoke with 0 talent. If your thoughts were on Spotify, you wouldn't add them to your playlist, so stop giving them airplay. And once you can label the noise, it's time to redirect it. This one is gold. When your thoughts start spinning, hijack them with the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method. 5 things you can see, 4 you can touch, 3 you can hear, 2 you can smell, 1 you can taste. It snaps your brain out of the mind maze and anchors you to now. Because clarity lives in the present, not in your hypothetical nightmare future. You're not escaping your thoughts, you're reclaiming your power. And now, let's go deeper. This one sounds weird, but schedule your worry. Yes, put it in your calendar. 15 minutes a day where you are allowed to spiral. Outside that time, it's off limits. Tell your intrusive thoughts, sorry, you're not on the guest list today. And here's the mind-blowing part. The more you contain your overthinking, the faster your brain learns it's not a 24/7 job. In any spiral, ask this: what do I know to be true right now? That question cuts through 90% of mental fog, because 90% of overthinking is your brain confusing fear with facts. Clarity doesn't come from having every answer. It comes from knowing what's real, right now. And that, my friend, is power. You started this video overwhelmed, maybe exhausted, but you're still here, and that means you're serious. You've learned to name the noise, to ground yourself, to time your worry, to ask the clarity question. Mental calm isn't passive, it's a practice, a discipline. And every time you choose clarity over chaos, you're building a mind that serves you, not scares you. Now that your mind is clear, are you ready to manifest something big, like love, like your specific person? Then you're going to want to see this next. Tap the video on your screen right now. The most powerful 30-day SP manifestation challenge. Attract your specific person fast. It's not wishful thinking, it's focused attraction, backed by clarity. Click now, and let's make magic real.